friends, this is our Sudoku puzzle number 24. Let's try to solve it. Now we have 1 1 11. We have three twos. It's done. 3 no threes. 4 we got two fours. 4 cannot come here because of this line is filled. 4 cannot come in these block because of this. We have 4 here. 4 cannot come here. That's the only place 4 can go. 5 we have no 5. 6 we have 1 6. 7 1 7. 8 we got 1 8. 9 we got 2 9. 9 cannot come, goes there, nor here. Only place 9 can go is here. Okay, now see 1 1 1, top middle bottom. 2 we got 2 1 2. 3 we got 2 fours. 4 cannot go there, nor here. In these block 4 can come. Because of these 4 we can place it here, top middle bottom. 5 we got 1 5. 6 7 we got 2 sevens, top middle bottom, either here or here. Okay, this 7 and this 7. 8 9 leave it. 1 leave it. 2 twos are done. 3 4 5 6 7 we got 2 8s. We cannot place it here nor here. Only place 8 can go is here. We did it horizontally. Now it's time to do vertically. Let's see. Right, middle, left. 2 left, center, right. 3 we got no 3s. 4 are done. 5 we got no 5. 6 we got 2 7, left, center, right. 8 we got 2 8, right and center. 8 has to goes in the left. Because of this 8, this is become our 8. 9 right, left. It has to be in the center. There is no 9 here, so we will place 2 small 9s. Now this 1 leave it. We got 2 2s, right, center. This is left. 3 4 we got 2 4s, left, center. It has to go in these blocks. Because of this we can place 2 4. 5 we got no 5. 6 we got 1 6. 7 we got 2 7, left, center, right. We got 7 here, so either this is a 7 or this is a 7. 8 we got 2 8, left, right. It has to go in the center. 9 we got 1 9, leave it. 1 left, center, right. 2 right, center, left. Here or here. Because of this 2 we cannot place it here. 3 no 3s. 4 we got 2 4, left and right. It has to go in the center, either here or here. Okay. 5 we got 1 5. 6 we got 2 6, left and right. It has to go in the center. 7 no 7. 8 we got 1 8. 9 we got 2 9, right, center and left. left, center, right. Now we will see cross meet technique. Let's see what we get. Because of this one cannot go there. We have, oh sorry. Because of this one cannot go there. This one, we cannot place this one here. These two block, one can go. Either here or here. Okay, twos. Twos are done. Threes. Do we have three here? Oh, we have three here. Three cannot go there. So either this is a three or this is a three. Four. We got fours. Five. Do we have five here? We have five here. In these two blocks, five cannot go because of this. Five can go either here or here. Six. Six cannot go there. Either here or here. Seven. Seven cannot go there. Not we have seven here. Okay. Seven cannot go there. Not here. Only place seven can go is here. Seven. Eight. Left. Sorry. Center. Bottom, middle, and it has to be on the top. This is our 8. We got 2 left. It's a matching pair. Let's see what are the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 5. 3, 5 is the matching pair. Do we have 3 here? No. Do we have 5? Not yet. Okay. We got 2 left here in this line. But no. Just leave it for a while. We got 2 left here in this row. Let's see what are the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 5, 6 are the matching pair. Do we have 6 here? We have 6. This becomes 5, then this becomes 6. Okay. We got matching 2 blocks here, means it's a matching pair. 1, 2, we don't have 3, 4, 5. This becomes 5 because 3 cannot go there. This becomes 3. We can remove this 3. This becomes 1, 6, 1, 6 matching pair here. Then it's a 3, 5, 3, 5 matching pair. 5 and 3. Now, what will we do? 5, 6. We got 2, 6. Top, middle, it has to be in the bottom. 6, 6. We got 6 here. This cannot no longer be a 6. This will become 1. And we got our 6. We got 2 blocks here. What are our missing numbers? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5. We have 1 here. This becomes 5 and this becomes 1. Okay. We got only 1 left here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a 9. Left, center, right. It has to be here. This 9 cancel out this 9. This 9 cancel out this 9. So this became a 9. Then this become our 4. This become our 7. This become our 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now what? We got 2 left here. 1, 2. It's a 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now let's see what are the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has to be a 6. Right center, it has to be in this, become our 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 5. Do we have 5 here? No. Okay. This is also 5, 3 matching pair. Okay. Let's see now what. 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2, 3. Okay, we got only one left here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This become 5. This become our 3. This become 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This become our 7. And this become our 7. Now we have only 2 left here. 1, 2. It's a 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 8. We have 8 here. This become 3. This become 5. This become 3. This become 5. 3, 5. This become 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we solved. See, this is very easy.